Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Rudrakshi Pandey and I have got something super exciting for you. We are diving into how to build your first digital marketing strategy even if you are a complete beginner. So let's dive into the video. Okay, so the first question that arises is what is digital marketing strategy? Digital marketing strategy is simply a plan of action to reach your goals through online channels like social media, websites, search engines, and your websites. Let's keep it simple and think of it like a roadmap. Where are you now? Where do you want to go? And how will you get there? Okay? And before running ads or posting content, you need a strategy, and that's what we are building today. Okay, so the first step in building a strategy is to set your goals. Ask yourself, what do you want? Do you want to get more traffic? Do you want to get more followers, more sales, or just more awareness? And you should always use the SMART goals method. Like, you should always be specific, be measurable, be achievable, be relevant, and always be time bound. Okay, so step 2 is to know your audience. Know who are you trying to reach. Ask what age group are they, what platforms do they use, and what are their problems and interests. There are a ton of platforms, but you don't need to be on all of them. You just need to be on 2 or 3 of them that make sense for your audience and your business. For example, Instagram and YouTube is great for visuals or young adults, but LinkedIn is good for B2B or professionals. On the other hand, SEO is great for creating traffic and email is the best for nourishing audience. Okay, so the next step is content. This is where the magic happens. Ask yourself which format works the best for you. Is it reels, is it blogs, or is it infographic? You can use a content calendar and plan out your posts weekly or monthly, or you can even use the 80-20 rule, in which 80% should be your valuable content and 20% should be your promotion content. Okay, so the next part is budget. You don't need a huge budget to start. You just need some free tools to start. You can use Canva for designing, Google Analytics for tracking, MailChimp for emails, and Buffer for scheduling. And if you have a small amount of money, you can go for paid ads on Instagram and Google Ads. Okay, so the next step is to track, analyze, and improve. The strategy is not to set it and forget it. It's to keep a track of what's working and what's not. Which posts get the most like and save, or which emails get the best open rate, and are people really visiting your websites? Improve on what's not working and double down on what is working. Okay, so let's quickly take a recap of all the things that we discussed in the video. The first one was to set SMART goals. The second one was to know your audience. The third one was to choose the right platforms. Then you have to post, use free tools, and track your performance. Digital marketing is not magic. It's strategy plus consistency. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such beginner-friendly content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with other domains.